Welcome to Newbie Cool.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another episode of Newbie Q Backyard Barbecue and Grilling. I'm your host, Jazz, and today I have horrible lighting apparently in my garage. We are going to do something fun today. We're going to cook a brisket. I haven't done one in a while. It's mainly because I can't find one cheap enough, and I found one. So it's not huge. It's only like, what, 7-8 pounds, something like that. But we're going to get the Bronco drum fired up, and we're going to get this thing trimmed, we're going to get it seasoned, and we're going to get it slapped on the drum, and we're going to cook ourselves a brisket today. So stay tuned. Let's have some fun. Real quick, make sure you go down, hit the link in the bottom, follow me on Facebook, follow me on Instagram, follow me on TikTok, Newbie Q Backyard Barbecue. I actually was filming live this morning when I was trimming this brisket, so if you want to see that, I don't think you can actually. I don't think you can go back and watch the lives again. But I did go live. I was thinking about doing that more often, especially when I'm cooking here. That way, I don't know, just kind of brings a little something to TikTok, I guess. Just do a little live of whatever I'm doing. Was only like 20 minutes, but hey, you know, is what it is. But go down there, click that link. Also, merch, if you would, please buy some shirts. Helps me out. Anyway, click the link down below. Go ahead to the merch tab there, click it, go over, check out my spring store. I've got all kinds of shirts and stuff you can buy on there. Every shirt helps me out just a little bit, and I really appreciate that, guys. So, click the links, click it, click, 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 click down below. And anyway, enjoy the video. Okay, so quick update. The brisket is wrapped. It's back on the smoker. We got about, I don't know, I want to pull it off about 206 degrees. We'll throw it in a, probably throw it in the cooler here and let it finish off. But we're not too far. We're about 180 something degrees, and we're not too far away from getting it to that where we need it. But Everything's going pretty good right now. I'm gonna have to check the heat here in a little bit, make sure that I get enough temperature wise, and hopefully we'll finish this sucker out. So anyway, probably gonna be a boring video. I apologize. There's really not a whole lot to say or do, but I trimmed it, seasoned it, threw it on the smoker. We wrapped it. Simple as that, guys. So we're gonna hopefully be pulling that off here after a while, and probably in the next clip we'll be pulling it off, and you know, we'll be eating this sucker. So stay tuned. All right, folks. Grabbed my cell phone camera and I walked out here to see 206 degrees, and I don't have my other camera, so we're just gonna use my cell phone. But look at this, 206 degrees. We're gonna pull it off. Pull that out. Let's see. It feels pretty loose. I'm gonna pull it off. We're gonna stick it in here. All right, put it in there. We're gonna cover it up with some towels, and then that's it. And then we're gonna let it rest. Oh, that smells good though, buddy. Does that smell good? Does that look good? Woo-wee! All right, we're gonna cut this sucker up. We're gonna cut it right about here. Got it about there. Oh, look at all that. It looks gorgeous, doesn't it? Man, it looks good. Shoo! Look at that. Doesn't that look good? Alright, guys, check it out. Boop. Oh, baby. Doesn't that not look good to you? Look at that. Oh, man, it's so freaking good, man. Brisket, baby. Brisket. Alright, y'all, that's it for this video. I really wanted this to be a better video for you guys, and I do apologize. My videos have been really slacking lately, but brisket's done. I'm gonna go eat. We'll catch you guys next time. Hit the link down the bottom. Hit all the link. Get the merchandise. Follow me on social media. Peace out. See you guys later.